Today we are finishing up the deck that's going to be used to jump down this slide here. So, got to connect some of the plumbing so we can connect the water pump that's going to come all the way up here. This water pump goes basically from this inlet all the way down to the pond. You ready to build this thing, Declan?
I'm ready to go in the pond.
You ready to go in the pond? Soon. This is the general idea. Now I got to fit it into the frame. Whew. This is what we're going to use as the top of the deck of all these old fence boards here. Playing with the knife, Declan? There you go.
Set it down and put it against this. Watch your head, Declan. Hey.
Mommy, this is an emergency.
What?
We need extra ice cream.
Oh my gosh. Ivan, you made my heart just stop.
And make sure it's mint chocolate chip and vanilla.
Please?
Please.
You gonna throw a please in there, or are you just gonna...
My goodness. Ivan, I am still at Dick's Sporting Goods getting Molly's volleyball.
You've been there for an hour.
I know.
Oh my goodness. Whew. Thing is just smoking. We gotta cool this thing off a little bit before we keep drilling with it. We've only got 3 of 6 done. Getting the boards laid down.
See how it's a little... What if we scoot it down? What if we put the board in? Should I push on that?
Yeah. Got most of the piping through here. It's a little complicated trying to get these pipes to actually fit in. The pump is working. Now we just need to trim off the sides. Boys are ready for it. Let's see it, Declan.